In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms toniques, but more precisely, we will see lui. So, let's see together first what are les pronoms toniques. Stress pronouns in French, also known as disjunctive or emphatic pronouns, are used to emphasize or reinforce a particular element in a sentence. So this is really important. Remember, you will use les pronoms toniques to emphasize or reinforce an element that is in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important is that unlike subject pronouns, the stressed pronouns are used in various positions within a sentence for emphasis or clarification. So these pronouns will have this possibility to occupy various positions in the sentence. So this lesson is about lui, and the stressed pronoun lui can be translated into various ways in English, such as he or him. So let's see some examples with lui. Lui, il adore le tennis. Lui, il adore le tennis. Je vais aller voir ce film avec lui. Je vais aller voir ce film avec lui. C'est lui qui a tout organisé. C'est lui qui a tout organisé. Lui, il ne mange jamais de viande. Lui, il ne mange jamais de viande.